welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and you all are safe at home. So today's video is going to be a very random Amazon haul. I thought I should really share this all stuffs with you guys. Like, it's very random stuff. Most of them are like furnitures and home decor, and yeah, so I thought I should share these things because when we were planning to buy some stuffs, I was really searching for these sort of videos, but I got something, but I thought I should also share these things with you so that it would be a little bit helpful for you also. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the very first item is from the Bluewood. It's the TV cabinet, like the very basic TV cabinet. We just want to, put their setup box and one sound box and one DVD player, that sort. So we were not looking for a very fancy or luxurious TV cabinet sort of thing. We were just looking for very simple and very, inexpensive sort of thing. This thing falls under all the category. It was very basic, but at the same time it was looking good. So they have also color options, so you can just color coordinate according to your furniture or according to the color of your walls. You can just go for that. Also they have different variants, but I think for us it was good, it was okay. So these things come in a DIY situation, so you have to set it, this whole thing, by yourself. But don't worry, it's very easy. You get the manual and आप उस मैनुअल को देख के you can just set up everything very nicely, so you don't have to panic and all. और आपको, मेरे को लगता है, किसी और को बुलाने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है to set the whole thing. You can just do it by yourself. Also they packed it, like delivered it in a very nice way. Not a single screw was missing. So yeah, it was very easy to set up and it's very sturdy also. ऐसा नहीं कि it's like inexpensive, so it was very clumsy and flimsy and all. No, it was very sturdy, good quality. So you can definitely check this out. And if you don't want this variant, they have different designs, they have different colors. You can definitely check them out. I will leave everything, like the picture, product name, everything related to the product in the description box and also on the screen, so make sure to check out. And yeah. So next thing is the shelf. Like, our TV wall was looking very empty, so we thought we should get some shelves and all. Again, when it comes to shelves, Amazon is best doing the shelves and all. So you will get different variety of shelves. So we went for this option. I will leave the product name, brand name, everything again on the screen because I don't remember everything exactly, and you will get the link in the description box, so make sure to check it out again. So this was again available in different colors, so you can go according to your choice. So this whole pack contains 4 units, I can say. So it contains one simple dashboard kind of a shelf, and it contains 2 small squares and 1 big rectangle. So you just have to get some small cute home decors, and you can just put it on that shelf, like on that rectangle, on that square. This thing comes in like this situation only. You don't have to make or you don't have to fix something. This thing will come exactly in this situation, and you have to just hang it according to your preferences. आपको जहाँ लगाना है, जैसे लगाना है, you can set it according to your style. So it's all on you. Again, you will get so many designs and variations and colors possible. I will leave their pictures also. So yeah, definitely go and check it out. Again, it's very good quality, good price, so you should, I think, check this out. These small elements really add something to your wall, and yeah, I think it's the best thing. You can just add the small elements to your wall and make it look more presentable. So yeah, definitely check them out. The next thing is the small round table. So it was very inexpensive, like it was something around 300 or something like that. I guess 279 or something like that, but we have to pay extra shipping charge. It was something like 75 or 80, but it's worth it. It was really, like, it came in a really good manner, but it took a little bit long to deliver here, but it's all okay. It was really cute. Like, it's really cute and it's really good quality. You can just fold it and you can just take it anywhere, wherever you want to. And I was really looking for something like this small round table for my videos. So yeah, I think it's a good quality. Again, you can definitely check this out. So the next thing is, you can clearly see on my background. So yeah, these paintings, these were really inexpensive. These are really inexpensive, so you should definitely check this out. They are really good quality. They look so good. Again, I will add a close-up here. I will give you the different options. If you don't want this one, you can go for different options. They have really good options. Like Amazon is good at these things. So you know, and colors of these paintings are very vibrant and very bright. So this cost me around something like 200 and all, but it was like, I thought it's an investment, I should get this one. Like if you're a good painter and if you're a good artist, you can just make this thing by yourself, but I'm not. I really want something to, you know, add to this plain wall. So yeah. So next thing is again this wallpaper. You can see I will again add a closure, like close up here, so you can just check the quality. So I bought like 3 or 4 rolls, so it cost me around something 1,000, I can say, but it was an investment for me because it was covering like the wall, and like it's not covering the whole wall, but it's kind of covering the half of the wall, but it's like fine for me. And I thought I can spend this much money on this because I can use it for a long time. So yeah, again it's a good quality. They have lots of options when it comes to wallpapers. You can again check wallpapers and this sort of paintings from Amazon. You will definitely get some good collection there at a good price. So yeah, definitely go and check it out. As I told you guys, I'm gonna show you random things. So here it is. So this one is an investment, you guys. So this cotton pads, like cotton sheets, these are not cotton pads. So these cotton sheets are really good. So these are from Minisos, and you have to just pay rupees 200, and you also get a plastic dabba. I mean, it is such an investment, you guys, and you get thousands of sheets, like cotton sheets. You're not getting cotton pads. So please keep this thing in your mind while purchasing this. So this is something like this. So you should not use these sort of cotton sheets for removing your makeup, because this can be really harsh for your skin. But you can definitely use this one for removing lipstick and for removing nail paint, you know. So yeah, you can definitely check this one out because it contains 1,000 sheets, you guys. So definitely check this one. The very last item of this haul is a comforter. Of course, it's winter and you might be searching for comforters and blankets of good quality. So trust me on this, guys, this comforter is really good, and I think it's not that expensive. It is something around 1,600 or under rupees 1,600. I'm really not sure, but I will leave exact price and detail again in the description box or in the screen, so make sure to check it out. But this is really good quality. They have again different options and again different colors. So yeah, you can just go and check it out. To be very honest, this is my favorite thing. Like it really makes me feel more sleepy, and it's very comfortable. So yeah, definitely check this one out. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope if you're searching to buy something, or if you're thinking to buy something, this video has really helped you. And yeah, if it did, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos if you want. And also don't forget to press the notification bell icon, because I am posting content consistently. So yeah, I don't want you guys to miss them. Until then, stay happy, stay safe at your home, and thank you so much for watching me, taking out your precious time. That really means a lot to me.